guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today we're playing Southwest Florida. So, as Greenville, I haven't played Southwest Florida for like you can say 2 years, not that long, or 1 year. I think it's 2 years. Yeah. So it's loading for a long time. I was just watching animes. Let's just start with a brand new. What the heck? What the heck? What happened? I almost reset it. Wait. Oh. Wait, the gun is different. Yo, dude. Dude, the guns are different. The guns wasn't like this. Like when we have shift lock on. Just make like it was just like this. The guns weren't like this. Dude, I swear. Like the old version of this. Like the guns weren't like this. The guns were like this. Dude, I swear. Dude. I mean, it's kind of good because you can see the gun properly now. And it's kind of nice. Kind of nice. But the game lags. Whoa, is this the new police department? Oh, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. Where's the thing? My eyes. Oh, I need to look down. Alright, so we're gonna. Wow, the GUIs are so different. Okay, at least they spelled vehicles correctly this time. Last time they had no H. Wow, the game is so different, dude. What the fuck? Can you drive the car though? What? I am clicking F and E. Okay, this is a huge bug. Can I? This is what I mean by this fucking game. That is why I don't play it. Why am I keep saying on this frick mode? Okay. Oh, the driving is so smooth. Oh my, the driving wasn't like this. I swear, dude. I swear, dude. The driving wasn't like this. Dude, I swear the driving was never like this. Dude, look how smooth this is. Like, it's kind of like real life. Not gonna lie. Dude, this is so fucking smooth. Dude, I never seen a game this smooth. I mean, I've played this game, but it wasn't. The map wasn't like this. The car's handling wasn't like this. The guns wasn't like this. The leaderboard wasn't like this. It was way bigger, the leaderboard. Wait, Yo, dude, there's a sheriff team? Wow. There wasn't a sheriff team. There also wasn't a hospital worker. Was an employee, I don't know how to say that. Dude, oh my. The side blocks green is. Do I have my voice? Change it. The side blocks green is so cool. I just got tons of Robux. You hear that, guys? That's like Obama. The voice is Obama's. I mean Obama's little brother or sister. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out this whole map, dude. Looks so freaking nice. Oh, the siren. Alright, now they break test. Oh. Break is a 4 out of 5. The speed test. Let's make it like a mini Percy. Speed test. Oh, alright, 136. 136, I believe. Alright, now the handling test. Let's go front to see a U-turn and do a U-turn so we can see how good the handling is. Oh. I don't really feel. Oh, what? Did the map just end? Alright, another handling test. Oh, that was a little good. That was a good one. Oh, this also is a good one. Oh, this is also a good one. Let's return here. Oh, alright. I will give this handling a 10 out of 10. That's actually some good handling. Let's see if this course can do drift. Oh, that has a good turn. Alright, let's do a drift again. Oh, that was a little spincy. I wish I had a faster car. Not on this team. Oh, the drifts are good. So I will rate this game within the course. The course I'll rate it a 10 out of 10. Okay, I'll just do 10 out of 10. And the map and GUIs, dude. Like, dude, I give the GUIs 20 out of 30. Yes, I give the GUIs 20 out of 30 because the GUIs look so beautiful, and the pictures they made is from Photoshop. That's why it's like really nice. And they give this script, dude. I literally say this is not an easy script. That's insanely hard script. I'm not even kidding. Oh, there's a wobble. Where is the? How do you know which space is which space? I'm kind of liking this game again. Okay, let's do small patrol like GTA. Would be fun. I don't really like GTA because like it's kinda not cool and stuff. I mean, there are police and other cool teams mode, but like it's kind of like weird playing GTA in a crime game. Also, it's like Los Angeles and Los Angeles copy. That's why I don't play GTA a lot. I did buy GTA though. Oh. Where am I? Oh no. You know, no. Get down. 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 Get. Whoa. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I need backup. I need backup. Oh, I'm dead. I wish there was a radio, dude. I wish there was radio. How do you know that you have like ammo? Okay, cool. What the fuck? What's the green thing? Okay, so the ending of today's video is right over here. I think this is the last video, or there's one more to do. I actually got some homework. So I'll be ending this off right here. Goodbye.